Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Now we all know that smoky eyes can be really sultry and it can go with any outfit. But do you also know that it can be created in less than 5 minutes with one simple trick? And I'll show you how. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And without further ado, let's get started. I've already primed my lids with a concealer. I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. You can use any concealer to even out the skin tone. And now we will use a magic wand. I'm actually talking about a black eye pencil, and the one that I always use, this is my drugstore favorite. This is the Jordana Easy Liner in black. I'm going to generously apply this in my waterline and my top lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect or very neat because we will be smudging this in just a bit. And now I'm going to dip a flat fluffy brush in some black eyeshadow. I'm using the Smashbox Full Exposure palette. You can use any palette that you have. And I'm going to start smudging the eye pencil that I just used. The reason this is so quick and easy is because you're not spending all that time trying to make something look really neat because you'll be smoking and smudging it anyway. This was the most important part. Now any eyeshadows that you use on top of this will start magically appearing smoky. I'm going to take this dark brown eyeshadow with a flat shader brush and I'm going to apply it right on top of this all the way up to my crease. You can use any eyeshadow that you have. It doesn't have to be brown, but I feel like neutrals are universally flattering and that's why I'm using this shadow. The last step is to use a shadow that's closer to your skin tone so all these colors melt into your skin. I'm going to be using a light brown shade with a blending brush. I'm going to buff out and soften the edges. And I'm going to do the same in my lower lash line to soften it up. That's pretty much it. I usually apply some mascara and call it done. Today I feel a bit fancy, so I'm going to be attaching some false lashes. First, I'm going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara. I'm using the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. And for false lashes, I'm using Brazen from Black Label. I hope that was easy enough and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and let me know in the comments section below if you want more tutorials like these. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box below. If you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me. I have my social media links also listed in the description box below. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.